If you felt like Google Photos search has gotten worse lately, it has. Google quietly replaced the fast keyword search with a Gemini AI search called Ask Photos. The new one is slower, often wrong, and for a lot of people, it can no longer find text inside your own photos. The good news, you can switch it off. Here's exactly how and what changed. Here's what Google did. The old photos search was indexed locally and very fast. Type the word, get the photos. Type, say, monkey, and you get every photo with a monkey in it. The new layer routes your query through Gemini first. It tries to be smart about what you mean, but in practice it misses photos the old search would have found in half a second. This is not an opinion. One user on the subreddit Google Pixel measured it. Photo search success rate was 90% plus before Gemini. Now, 30 to 40%. Another user said they searched for monkey at the zoo, no results. Tried primates, ape, gibbon, chimp, all blank. The old search would have nailed any one of those. Some users say it works fine, many say it broke their workflow. Here is how to fix it. Open Google Photos, tap your profile picture, top right, tap photo settings, tap preferences, tap Gemini features in photos, toggle search with ask photos off and done. The old fast keyword search comes back instantly. No restart needed, no data loss. Your photos are not affected, only the search layer. This is the cleanest possible privacy and quality win in one setting. One honest caveat. Gemini in Photos is rolling out region by region. If you're in the US, you almost certainly have the toggle by now. If you're in Canada, the UK, or most other countries, the new AI layer may not be active for you yet, which means the toggle isn't visible either. If your search still feels fast and accurate, you don't need to do anything yet. So here's my guru's catch. This isn't just about photos. Users have flagged the same pattern in Google Maps, Calendar, Android Auto, even Fitbit, where Gemini has been quietly inserted on top of the features that were already working. Each one defaults on. Each one buries the toggle in settings. The pattern matters more than the bug. Check every Google app you actually rely on and audit the Gemini settings while you can still find them.